I have been in the field for around 6 years. Back to 2015, I worked in the first blockchain lab in Vietnam as an R&D engineer. Today I'm bringing you a topic about decentralized RNG in blockchain gaming. At the first of all, let's take a look at our current situation. RNG is using in every game. It's necessary to calculate the result of winning an item, but the game manufacturer doesn't want you to know this myth, since it is a profit generator. For a long time, it has been censored, and it needs to be changed. We are in the early stage of the merging of blockchain technology with game. You could see there are many NFT games recently. For the first time, gamers are actually on the game item. So what's next? We should consider the game item is a digital asset. We need to change the item issuance process. It must be transparent, and DRNG will be the first game changer. Before we answer the question about DRNG, let's get back to the fundamental problem. Alex and Bob want to play coin tossing on the phone. How do they prove they are honest? Both verifier and prover can be the cheater. In the try to answer this question, it is the bond of coin tossing protocol, when people use the one-way function to secure the coin tossing process. In practice, it turned out to be pretty simple. You can build it yourself by using commit scheme. Prover will commit digest of secrets. Later on, they can provide the secrets whenever verifier required. Duelist King may be the first project that offers fair and transparent in its item issuance. We published the paper that proposed a new way to distribute the game item with the commit scheme and Oracle. Our approach bring transparency, but Oracle doesn't mean decentralized. The question still remaining: how to actually build up the decentralized RNG? It seems to be a paradox when you want to guarantee transparency and unpredictability at the same time. You could find many papers that propose the concept of DRNG. You will find a new thing like multi-party coin tossing, prevent secrets withholding, nothing at stake, proof of delay, prevent colluding party, and many more. And after due research, a question come up into my mind: how could it get better? There are the one way it can be better. A network that generates random number and provides it as a service for game, the app, and smart contract. Instead of centralized black box, we have decentralized crystal box that allow people to take a look into it and verify the process. Here is the proposal of us. We want to build a blockchain, a network that can generate the random number. The first component is the peer-to-peer network. We need the peer-to-peer network at the infrastructure of DRNG. It allows all messages will be delivered, and we could perform the verification as well. We could use the lib peer-to-peer to implement peer-to-peer network. Randomness generator process is very important. Some coin tossing protocol doesn't care about shock or the entropy. They all were built with the assumption that the participant is honest, and they will provide the brick entropy source. For us, we need prover to craft zero knowledge proof to prove their computation. And every participant would be considered as the generator. Generator need to deposit a collateral to prevent nothing at stake. They will receive the incentive when they doing the right thing and get the penalty when they do the wrong thing. And the most important part is consumer. They will provide the incentive to the whole ecosystem. Consumer need to pay for the random number that they bought. Actually, in this proposal, it is a simple version of DRNG network. In fact, there are many more components like consensus, cross-chain transaction, and you would ask it has a demand for it. Actually, you need a random number to play the game. You need a random number to decide the winning item. You need a random number to calculate the damage. You need a random number for everything. And user will soon realize they need a fair chance to win. In the future of game industry, it will be DAO instead of gaming manufacturer. It will be the game channel instead of centralized backend. And it will be the RNG instead of ordinary RNG. And here is our small team. We are dreamer. Thank you and see you in the future.